Yo, 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 check it. Welcome to... Wow, that was a terrible intro. Welcome to Creativerse. There, it's lagging a little bit. Welcome to Creativerse. Yeah. I've been playing this game quite a bit. And I feel very accomplished playing it so far. So, I'm just gonna get straight out to it. It's 5:52 a.m. in my world. So let's just go outside and explore. Oh my gosh, the lag is really, really bad. I am so sorry, guys. Absolutely terrible. I'm gonna pause it and get back to you guys when it stops being a butt crack. Okay, finally, it's not lagging too much anymore. It only took my game crashing like twice. It's still lagging very badly. This is a terrible experience! Okay. Okay. It doesn't usually lag this bad on my computer. So, this is basically Minecraft on Steam. Basically. It's like a futuristic form of Minecraft. That apparently runs like crap. I mean, good game. It's just my computer, it's not the game at all. But yeah, and it's a very hostile game. Like, look at this little pigsy. I need something to eat. Crap, I hit it and my game's lagging and now he's mad. Pigsy's mad. Pigsy's mad. Pigsy's mad. Pigsy's mad. Oh, I somehow defeated him with lag. I've already clicked on the bad guys. If it didn't lag so much, I would say I'm probably in love with this game. Look at this. You don't even have to carry your sword. You can simply just hit tab to hold it. I know that didn't make any sense. Like, every resource here counts in this game. It's very special, very cool, and I like it very much. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I need this. Ah, fall damage. That hurt. Oh, there's a sleeping piggy. I need this. Oh, I got it. Yeah, animals sleep in this game too. Adds one more reality to it. Ooh, a bunch of stone. Give me some of this. I like stone. Stone's helpful. Okay, that should be enough for whatever. I don't really know. You can jump 2 blocks high in this game. This game is just so cool. Guess I am out. Ah! Ow! Ooh! What are these? Oh, it's a snowy area over here. Okay, let's go check these out. Pigsy. I never liked pigsies. Pigsies are weird. What in the world is that? Hello. Hello, ugly thing. Oh, crap, fall damage. You are terribly ugly. Look at you. You look like the meaning of unpleasance. You have like nut sacks on your chin. Ow, ow. Don't hit me, don't hit me. Oh crap, he hit me. Ow. Oh god, he's strong. Oh crap, he's really strong. He's really strong. Oh crap. Like he's actually absolutely really strong. Okay, I think he stopped attacking me. Don't hit me! Oh, I killed him! Yes! Oh, Blizzard, CHIZARD, GIZARD. I took his frozen heart. Also, that's nice with those play-on words. Let's see, I have some mushrooms. I think I can eat those. I don't remember. Yeah, I'm eating a few. Okay. Awesome. This will probably be a very terrible video. I'm just gonna point that out now. But hey, I will be doing more of this. Because I can already tell, the creatures in this game are way too tough. That needs to be changed in the game. Other than that, this game has extreme promise. Ooh, what's down there? I'm here with the second tier sword, or stone sword if you will, and I have birds killing me. Okay, just had to eat another mushroom. Turn up the volume a little bit. There we go. That was a little loud, sorry. There's this monster over here. I've been here a few times, but I've never seen these little Blizzard CHIZARDs or whatever it said they were called. But there's like something called like a dust devil, and it was kind of dominating me. What was that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. That rockster jumped really high. Getting sick and tired of the dust devils around here. What are all the snow creature monsters? Whoa! He's not making very many friendly noises. That thing is breathing heavy. What is that? That's the definition of rock monster. Oh, there's a night creature. Night creatures are monstrously terrible. You see that thing walking away? I know, probably because of I'm using my phone. You can only see this little blue guy right here. There's like some big old rock monster just walking into that cave. That thing, and it's just going like. I don't know if you can hear it, so that's why I'm telling you. Let's see if I can go show you that, guys, that dust devil. My health is regenerating a little bit because I ate some mushrooms. Oh, I placed this here a while ago. I was gonna say, why are flowers? Wow! Ah, there he is! No! There's a treasure chest in there and I need it. Dust devil, go away. Don't like you. He's like some floating rocks. What? Oh, he's on me! Ow. Ow, he is definitely on me. Boy, back up. Back up, man. I don't want none. I does not want none. Thank you and good night. Is he still calling me? Let me eat a mushroom. He's, scary. Oh, crap. Whoa. Oh, gosh. Okay. I'm gonna go kill that thing. Kill that thing. I'll probably pause because it's at 9 minutes and I can't have any videos over 15 minutes. But, oh my gosh. I know it's been called a dust devil because it says you've been defeated by a dust devil. And this game is perfect. It shows you on the screen right here, up here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's this little skull on there where you last died, and I think that is perfect. Whoever made this game, I gotta give you props. This is great. It's got very much promise. Although in a future update, I would like to see that the creatures are a little less tough as to the fact that I cannot actually beat a pig with a stone sword. Yeah, and make it a little easier to find materials, like coal, or mine it. Other than that, this game is great. Back to the whatever. I'm almost there. That dust devil's not gonna see what's coming, 'cause he falls asleep, turns to a pile of rocks. Which I think is super cool. Oh crap. He's over right by my death statue. Ah! Die, 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 die. Ah! Oh man. Crap, I'm gonna die. Ah! No. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to go back and get it again. Alright. That's it. Oh, he's gone. I hope. Let's claim my death statue. Take everything in there. There we go. Awesome. Now, while I'm over here, check this out. When you hit Q, your crafting menu. So, I can currently craft, or I can't currently craft a stone mining cell because I have 1 of 5 pieces of coal that I will need. And look at this stuff. And then there's little meters where you can unlock stuff that tell you. So, this game is really cool. I really like it. And after you craft certain things, you can unlock other certain things. And then out of the Q menu real quick, there's E, which is your inventory. This stuff is great. When you die, your inventory goes to a death statue. But when you die, everything in your bar right here, this stuff right here, everything in your inventory bar, but not just the inventory, everything that's in that front bar that shows up on your screen, that stuff stays with you. And then you can also delete items if you really don't need it. And then there's some other buttons, but I don't remember them. And just because I didn't do much in this video, like at all, I'm gonna end this video here. This has been Duels of Awesome. I bid you guys farewell. I will talk to you later. I will play this game again, starting like as soon as I end this video, I'll make another video. And duel till darkness, my friends. Peace out.